up? It is your boy Jesus Revere. This video is about my favorites of the month, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna start off with these notebooks right here. This is the productivity planner and this is the 5-minute journal, and I love these because they keep me on track to what I want to do for the day. So these are really good books. They look like that and this looks like this, and they cost like $30, $26, and the other one was $24. But they're really good at explaining everything like that. And I got them at Urban Outfitters, so if you want one of these, you can go over there and get yourself a pair. If you're trying to be productive, basically, these two, that's what you need. Next, all my favorites of the month is this little thing right here. And it's for my camera, so basically I just put it on here and I can mount it on anything I want, and it just really helps for those like really hard to get areas where you want to put it on. You can do that easily with this. So the most expensive thing would be these. They're AirPods if you couldn't tell. So really great for music, like if you're trying to run, work out, exercise, leave something playing while you're still doing something. It's like really good for multitasking, on like making your bed while you're still trying to listen to this whatever you're trying to listen to, podcast, but you don't want your phone around or it's in the way. These really come in handy for situations like that. So that's what I really love about these AirPods.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
I also got this bag, and I normally wear it like so. It's a penny bag, so I guess you wear it here, but I don't wear it like that. I wear it like this, if you can see it. But I wear it around my waist. I got this fanny bag and it says Fila, and I got it at Urban Outfitters too, and it was like $39 I believe, or $40, I'm not sure, but I really like it. And I got it because when you don't really want to carry a bag around or like something heavy, this comes in handy because like you just throw it on, and yeah, it's like it's not in a way. So that's why I got this, and I just wear it around here, and that's how you use it. Yeah, got a different bag because like my other bag broke, and I got this one. I really love this one. This one's a bomb. I love it. I love the color. Like the only reason I got it was because of the flowers. Like I've been looking for a bag for a long time, and like as you can see my background, it's the same thing kind of as this. So obviously, my other favorite of the month is this type of whiteboard that I got from Target, and I basically just put a calendar on it, and I put every video idea I want to do, and it's awesome because it keeps, I can see it, and so I know what I want to do for the week, if that makes sense. So that's what I really love. My other favorite is an alarm clock. I have an alarm clock now because I don't really want to use my phone as an alarm clock, if that makes sense. Guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye. Bye-bye.
Love me for you to see. I'm not sure.